we covered just a demo. What is the syllabus we have? All these things I covered already in the last first session. And then we had a discussion about fundamental data types. Fundamental data types we are discussing. As the part of that, int we covered, float we covered, complex we covered, and then bool we discussed. Okay, but anyway, complex is not required for certification exam. Remember carefully, right? Complex is not required for certification exam. Okay, like a bool we covered. Now the next cinema, what we have to talk, str we just started, sir. So can you please tell what is str? Str means what? String a data type. Okay, like sir, here any sequence of characters within single quote or double quote or triple quote is by default considered as a string. In Python there is no char data type, we have string only. Even a single character within single quote also is treated as string type only, friends. Okay, well, sir, now my next even for the how you can access data present inside a string. Anyone, can you please confirm how you can access a data present inside a string? Okay, like sir, we have by using indexing, like we can access a data. Suppose here yes is equal to Durga is there. Now observe that yes is equal to Durga is there, sir. Now do you know here, sir, assume that Durga. Okay, like what is the index, sir? 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4. This is the positive index. The biggest advantage, the biggest facility in Python is even negative index is also possible. Remember this one, sir. So what is the negative index, right? -1, -2, -3, okay, -4, and then -5. Any explanation is required about this one? In the last session we covered already all these things. We remember, right? Okay, like so here just to take a bit special care. Positive index starts from zero. It is always from left to right. Okay, left to right. But negative indexing is always starts from 1, but it's always right to left backward direction. So if you want to access this A, sir, can you please confirm how many ways are there? If you want to access this A, how many ways are there? Yes of 4 you can take. Yes, acceptable. Or yes of -1 we can take itself is acceptable. There is no problem at all. Are you in the position to understand? So what about indexing? Okay, like you should aware. Next, there is one special operator what I covered for the string. What is that operator, sir? Slice operator. Okay, can you please confirm what is the slice? Please respond. Can you please confirm what is the slice? Slice means what? Slice means a piece. Okay, a part of the string, substring. Okay, like a piece. Okay, like sir. Now here I want sir, I don't want single character. Assume that I don't want single character, sir. I want a group of characters. Have you observed? I want a group of characters. Okay, this is substring I want, or this is substring I want, something like, or this is substring I want. If you want a piece present inside string, then for that we have to go for slice operator. Please take a bit very special care. What is the syntax for slice operator, sir? Yes of began, yes of began, end under step. Yes of began, end under step. So here begin index, end index, and then step value. Remember carefully, right? So for begin end we can take either positive index, either positive index or negative index, no problem at all. We can take either positive index or negative index, no issue at all. Anything, either positive value you can take, negative values you can take, no issue at all, right? Next step can be either positive or negative, no problem at all. But can't be but cannot be respond. I forgot, but cannot be respond, but cannot be zero step. Can't be zero. Okay, like so step value cannot be zero, but you can take either positive value or negative value. Okay, like Now, so if it is the positive, if the step is positive, if the step is a positive, okay, like sir, is it forward direction or backward direction? All these things I covered already in the last session. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Forward direction. Positive means forward direction. Okay, now so we have to consider from begin index to end minus 1 index. Remember this one, begin index to end minus 1 index. Sir, in forward direction we have to consider substring from begin index to n minus 1 index, like you have to take. Next, if the step is negative, if the step value is negative, sir, if the step value is the negative, then we have to go for backward direction. Okay, then we require to go for backward direction from begin index to, anyone can you please guide in the backward direction from begin index to what I have to go? End plus 1 index. End plus 1 index. Please make sure, sir. So I'm going a bit speedily because the reason is all these things already we discussed in the last session. Okay, just for revision sake only I'm taking, sir. Next, one more thing, sir. Here one small twist is there. What is that twist is? In forward direction, if end value is 0, then result is always empty. Remember this one. In forward direction, if the end value is 0, then the result is always empty. In backward direction, in backward direction, if end value is -1, then the result is always empty. Suppose here s of began 0, sir, some 2 I'm trying to take, sir. Sir, is it forward direction? Can you please confirm? Is it forward direction or backward direction? Forward direction, because step value is the positive. In forward direction, end value is the 0. Now what is the output we are going to get, sir? Empty is the output we are going to get. Please make sure, sir. Sir, similarly, begin, sir, -2 I'm taking. -2 means backward direction. Assume that -1. Then we are not required to use any formula. Now the result is straightforward. It is empty. Remember a bit very carefully. These two are special cases. If the end is the 0 or not. If it is not 0, then only you have to apply this formula. Remember this one, sir. If end is -1 or not. If it is not -1, then we have to apply this formula. Please make sure, sir. These two are exceptional cases. Empty means empty string. Okay, empty string means 0 number of characters in that string. It is not empty word, generally empty string. Clear? Are you feeling comfortable up to this? Especially the new members also, please make sure you have to remember this. Okay, if you are feeling comfortable, then we have to talk with an example, so that you people can feel more comfortable. It is a very important even for certification exam also. Please take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? Okay, like sir, now here let me take let me, so positive and negative index will be there or not? Yes, what the answer we have to tell? What the answer we have to take? Can you please tell? Positive and the negative index is there or not? Yes, it is there. Okay, like yeah. Next, let me go for a small chota example I will take, so that you people can feel more comfortable about this one. Sir, next, one important before going for the slice example, slice operator. Okay, operator. Is it applicable for string or not? Can you please confirm? Is it applicable for string or not? Just now we covered. Oh, there is a big story I covered. Same, it is applicable for list also. Next level we are going to discuss. List also, it is applicable. It is applicable for tuple also. That's why if you aware for the string, then this concept will become copy paste for the remaining also. That's why please take a bit very special care about this one. Okay, for dict, set, this is not applicable. Okay, like it is applicable for list, it's applicable for tuple, like because list and tuple indexing concept is applicable wherever index story is there, then happily you can use a slice operator, no problem at all. Okay, well, now my question is, listen carefully, right? Okay, sorry, a small example I'm taking. S is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Like this, I'm trying to take, sir. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, like this is my string. Assume that, sir. Sir, now my question is, okay, sir, here take a bit special care about this one. Let me take this diagram also so that it is very helpful for you people, right? Okay, sir, here 1 minute. Instead of that, let me take A, B, C, D, and so on. Sorry. Okay, here this is my string. Let me take the bigger font. Okay, now, yeah, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Sir, believe me, at least one question is there for the certification exam. Minimum 2 to 3 questions, not at least one. 2 to 3 questions minimum will be there, sir, in the exam. That's why please take a bit very special care. More concentration must be required for you people, right? Okay. Well, sir, now here just can you please have a look? Almost around 10 cases we are going to discuss. So whatever I covered in our regular Python classes, the same example. Next, 1 or 2 special examples I will discuss, which is going to be very helpful for certification. That's why please take a bit special care about this terminology, right? Sir, can you please tell what is the positive index? Please respond, sir. What is the positive index? Positive index is, sir. So 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so almost all the symbols are covered 0 to 9. Next, negative index, -1, okay, -2, okay, -3. Next, -4, -5, okay, because so just almost we are going to cover multiple cases. That's why you people should have clarity. -8, -9, okay, -9, and then -10. So this is my string. Positive index and negative index is already there, sir. So here let me open Python console. Sir, Python console, yes is equal to, okay, A, B, C, D, and so on. Like this is about my string. Now you can ask anything, no problem at all. So we should be in the position to answer because these points are mantras. Remember that these points are mantras, like that's why compulsory you can understand clearly. Sir, very simple. What is the default value? What is the default value for step? Please confirm. If we are not mentioning step, what is the default value? 1, 1, 1. Okay, like the step value is 1, 1. So default value by default forward direction. Okay, like, sir, now my question is, yes of, here observe carefully, yes of 3 colon 3 colon 8 I'm trying to take. Okay, now first thing, is it forward direction or backward direction? Please confirm. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Forward, because you didn't specify step value. That's why by default it's the forward direction. So forward direction from begin to end -1. Remember, from begin to end -1. So begin 3, end -1 means 7. So from 3 to 7 we require to consider. Sir, have you observed, right? From 3 to 7 we require to consider. Okay, like, sir, now yes of, okay, so 3 to 7, yes of. So if you want to find this one, so 3 to 7 means, what is the thing we are going to get, sir? Can you please observe a bit very carefully about this one? 3 to 7, third index to seventh index, D to H is the answer. D to H itself is the answer. Now, if you want, can you please observe what is the answer by default you are going to get? D to H itself is the answer. Yes, any doubt? Please respond. Okay. Now, if I can take yes of 3 colon 8 colon 1. 3 colon 8 colon 1. What is the answer we are going to get? 3 colon 8 colon 1. Is it the same answer or not? Yes, it is the same answer. Next, yes of, here I'm not specifying, sir, begin value, end value, step value. If you are not specifying end value, then it is always going to consider till end, third to end, third to end means third character is this, until end D to J we are going to get. Observe that D to J we are going to get. S of colon 8 I'm trying to take, sir. Colon 8. If I'm not specifying begin, what is the default value, sir? In forward direction. In forward direction, default value 0. 0 begin. That's why 0 is the begin. That's why what is the answer we are going to get? 0 to 7. A to H we are going to get. A to H we will get. Yes. Okay, that's all. We covered all these things. Don't worry at all. We covered all these things in the last session already. Okay, now yes of 3 colon 8 colon 2 I'm trying to take, sir. Can you please confirm what is the output we are going to get now? From 3 colon, sir, 8 colon 2 I'm trying to take. So yes of 3 colon 8 colon 2, sir. So from first question I will ask, is it forward direction or backward direction? Please respond. The new members, especially by considering you people in my mind, I'm telling this point. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Forward direction. So forward direction from begin to n minus 1. N minus 1 means 7. But every time you have to consider second character, not immediate character, not immediate character. Every time you have to consider second character like. So means now 3 to 7. Observe carefully. 3 to 7. 7. Every time we have to consider second character. Yes, here D and then F and then H. Okay, because step value the 2, you have to jump to 2 locations means. So one character, every second character we require to consider D, F, H. What is the answer we are going to get, sir? D, F, H. Let me cross check. Is my analysis the correct or not? Please observe that carefully. Yes, D, F, H is the answer we are going to get. Any doubt? Please respond. Everyone in the position to answer, everyone in the position to understand, I hope. Yes, any explanation is required. Clear, right? Okay, that's all. Sir, now my question here is, listen carefully, right? Yeah. Now you can ask anything just because the basic introduction. Okay, the required formula is also is a very clear analysis is there. Now observe, I'm going to talk yes of 1 colon 6 colon 2 I'm taking, sir. Anyone can you please tell what the answer we are going to get? 1 colon 6 colon 2. 1 colon 6 colon 2. So is it forward direction or backward direction? Forward from 1 to 5. From 1 to 5. Every time we have to consider second character. Every second character. 1 to 5 second character means 1 to 5 second character. 1 to 5 second character. B and then D and then F. B, D, F is the answer we are going to get. Can you please confirm? B, D, F itself is the answer we are going to get. Let me cross check, sir. Yes, of. Okay, sir, here just my question is 162 B, D, F is the answer we are going to get. Okay, well, yes, of. Sir, here just observe 1 colon 6 colon 3 I'm trying to take, sir. Anyone can you please tell what the answer? 1 colon 6 colon 3 I'm trying to take. So from 1 to 5, every third character we have to consider. 1 to 5, every third character we have to consider. So 1 to 5, 1 to 5. So every third character. B we have to consider. Next E we have to consider. That's all. Next third character is not there. So the output is B. E is the answer we are getting. Yes, can you please confirm? B, E itself is the answer. Any doubt? Please respond. B, E itself is the answer. Okay. Now the next things here immediately you have to tell yes of colon sorry yes of colon 1. If I can take what is the answer? Respond. What is the answer we are going to get? Colon 1. So from begin to last, because beginning you didn't specify, end you didn't specify. Okay, so is it forward direction or backward direction? Please confirm. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Forward direction. Forward direction, complete string we are going to get. Now, S of colon 1. S of colon 1. What the answer? A to J, complete string by default we are going to get. Yes. Are you feeling comfortable? Next. S of colon minus 1 I'm taking, sir. Okay. Minus 1 means, is it forward direction or backward direction? Respond. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Forward or backward? Backward direction. In backward direction, you didn't specify begin and end. Complete string we are going to get. So in backward direction, anyone can you please tell what the answer now? What the answer now? So J to A, J to A, J, I, H and so on. In backward direction we are going to get. Sometimes by using slice operator, how you can get reverse of the string? Anyone can you please tell? Like maybe a chance. Then we have to take S of colon minus 1, like we require to take care. Yes, observe carefully. What is the answer we are going to get, sir? J to A, everything is there. J to A itself is the answer we are going to get. Perfect. Clear, right? Reverse, like we are going to get, sir. Sir, now my question is S of 3 colon 7 colon minus 1. Okay, listen carefully. S of 3 colon 7 colon minus 1. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Please respond. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Backward direction. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Backward direction. So in backward direction, from begin to end plus 1. Begin to end plus 1. 3 to 8. Correct or not? Please respond. 3 to 8. Begin to end plus 1 means 3 to 8. So starts from third index. So you have to go to until 8 index in backward direction. 1 minute, sir. 3 to 8. So from 3, here observe carefully. From 3, if I move backward direction, can I get index 8? Is it possible? In the backward direction, starts from 3. If I move in backward direction, begin to end. If I move in backward direction, am I going to get 8? No chance at all. In the backward direction movement, you never going to get 8 because 8 is available in the forward direction. That's why what is the answer we are going to get? Empty. Nothing. Empty. There is no error. Please respond. Empty. There is no error. Error in that. Now have a look once. Okay, here I'm trying to take S of 3 colon 7 colon minus 1, but the output by default you are going to get, sir, empty. Clear? Any doubt? Okay, S of, like it is empty. Please take a bit special care. Next, S of 7 colon 4 colon minus 1, if I can take. Anyone can you please tell what is the output we are going to get now? 7 colon 4 colon minus 1. Yeah, Abhay Sharma, 1 minute. Here from begin to end plus 1 in backward direction. 1 minute. Here some people, there are some innocent people are there in this session. I mean the people who are not having clear clarity. Backward direction. So we have to move backward direction because it's the minus 1. So you have to move backward direction from 3 to 8. So if I move from 3 backward direction, if I move from third index backward direction, is there any chance to get 8? No chance at all. That's why there is no such type of slice. The output we are going to get empty string. Getting? Abhay Sharma. Is it okay? Imran. Starts from third index. You require to move to the backward direction. If I move backward direction, is it possible to get 8 index or not? Because we have to move from third to 8. That's why. So there is no such type of slice. That's why we are going to get empty string. That's it. 7 colon 4 colon minus 1. Is it forward or backward direction? Please confirm. Is it forward or backward direction? Can you please confirm backward direction? In backward direction, backward direction. Sir, here take a bit special care. In backward direction. So from begin to end plus 1. Begin to end plus 1 means 7 to 5. Okay. end plus 1, begin to end plus 1, 7 to 5, 7 to 5 backward direction, possible or not? Can you please observe? Where is the 7? 7 is here, 5 is here. Is it possible to move backward direction from 7 to 5? Yes, possible. HGF, backward direction, HGF is the answer we are going to get. Yes, can I get this output or not? Yes, observe carefully. What is the answer by default we are going to get here is, yes, let me copy paste here. What the answer we are going to get? HGF. Are you feeling comfortable? Any doubt? Okay. Yes, clear. Okay. Now I'm trying to take S of 0 colon 10,000 colon 1. 0 colon 10,000 colon 1. What is the output you are going to get now? From 0 to 9,999, I have to move in forward direction, in forward direction, in forward direction. 0 to n minus 1, begin to n minus 1, 0 to 9,999. So 0 to 9,999. So in this, whatever available characters are there, up to that only slice is going to be considered. That's why A to J, everything is going to be considered. Full string, complete string, we are going to get. So let me cross check. Yes, am I getting complete string or not? So I told in the last session, have you remembered or not? Slice operator never going to raise index error. Okay, even this index is not defined, but we never going to get index error. Okay, observe. Next, S of minus 4 colon 1 colon minus 4 colon 1 colon minus 1. Wow, wonderful. Can you please tell, is it forward direction or backward direction? Respond. Is it forward or backward direction? Please confirm. It is the backward direction. It's the backward direction. Backward direction, begin to end plus 1. Begin to end plus 1. Sir, begin minus 4 to end plus 1 means 2, sir. Minus 4 to 2, 2. I told right, begin index can be positive or negative. N index can be positive or negative, no problem at all. So begin to end plus 1, minus 4 to 2, minus 4 to 2, backward direction, minus 4 is here, 2 is here. Okay, minus 4 to 2 in backward direction, G F E D C we are going to get. So G to C in backward direction we are going to get. Let me cross check whether my analysis is the correct or not. You just observe carefully here. What is the answer? G to C in backward direction we are going to get. Any doubt? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay. Next, S of minus 4 colon 1 colon minus 2 I'm trying to take. Yes, please confirm what is the output you are going to get now. Minus 4 colon 1 colon minus 2. If I can take like this, what is the output? What is the output we are going to get, sir? Sir, very simple. Minus 4 to 2 in backward direction. Every second character I have to consider. Every second character I have to consider. So step value the 2. Minus 4 to 2. Minus 4 to 2. Minus 4 is here. 2 is here. Okay. Like every second character I have to consider. G, sir, E and then C. GEC is the answer we are going to get. GEC is the answer. Backward direction. Backward direction. GEC is the answer we are going to get. Okay. Now observe carefully. What is the output we are going to get? GEC. Vishnu, take a bit special care. Clear, right? Yeah. Okay. Sir, yes of 5 colon 0 colon 1. 5 colon 0 colon 1. What is the answer? Immediately you have to tell. What is the answer you are going to get? 5 colon 0 colon 1. 5 colon 0 colon 1. What the answer we are going to get now? Yes, the answer is empty string. I told in forward direction, if the end is 0, it is always empty. In forward direction, if the end is 0, it is always empty string. Okay, in backward direction, if the end is -1, then it's always empty. Please make sure, sir, our rules are very clear. Okay, like next, if I can take s of 9 colon 0 colon 0, what will happen? 9 colon 0 colon 0, what will happen? Yes, what is the answer? Error we are going to get, because step value never be 0. Next up, forward direction or backward direction is always depends on step value. Remember that if the step is a positive forward direction, begin to n-1 we have to consider. If the step is the negative backward direction, begin to n+1 we have to consider. Please take a bit special care. Okay, like now, so just 2 or 3 possibilities. You can ask anything. Can you please ask some possibility? Sir, I want answer for this. Please explain. Please tell. Like yes, any combination. You can ask any combination, please. Yes, because I know multiple cases. So if I'm keep on asking, what is the use? So someone is asking about s of 3 colon -1. I'm trying to take. Okay. Someone asked this one. S of 3 colon -1 like this. None is not there, Rishvik. Compulsory index values only you have to take. None is not possible. Okay. End value can be 0. End value can be 0 in backward direction. Okay, in forward direction, if the n value is 0, by default empty string. Remember, I told, sir, yes, sir, 3 colon -1. Someone asked about this one. Sir, is it forward direction or backward direction? Please confirm. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Backward direction. So third index to end we didn't specify until last something like, okay. Now, so third index to in backward direction until last we require to consider. Okay, DCBA is the answer we are going to get. DCBA itself is the answer we will get. Okay, now here just observe that what is the answer we are going to get here is, yes, here observe DCBA itself is the answer. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Next, someone is asking what there inside. Okay. If the step is the 0, then we will get error. I told if the step value is the 0, then we will get error. Yes, -4 to 1. Okay. -4 to 1 in forward direction. -4 to 1 in forward direction. -4 to 1 in forward direction. Okay. Where is the -4? -4 here. Where is the 1 here? 1 is here. So from -4, you can't move to the 1 in forward direction. That's why empty string. Getting? Oi, -4 to 1 in forward direction starts from -4. Starts from -4. -4 is here. You can't, if you move forward direction, you never going to get a 1. That's why empty we are going to get. Empty string we will get. Yes. Observe that empty string. Suppose yes, 1 colon -4. What is the answer? 1 colon -4. What is the answer we are going to get? 1 colon -4 means begin to 1 to end -1. So -5. Okay. Begin to end -1. -4 -1. 1 to -5. Where is 1? Where is the -5? 1 is here, -5 is here. -5 is here. So in forward direction, is it possible or not? Yes, B to F is the answer we are going to get. B to F itself is the answer. Now have a look once. B to F is the answer. Okay, well, next, S of 7 colon 4. So from 7 to n-1 means 3. So in forward direction, from 7 index to third index, not possible. That's why empty string we are going to get. Any doubt? Yes, empty we are going to get, because in forward direction from 7 to 3 not possible. Next, someone is asking about yes of 1 colon minus 5 colon minus 2 I'm taking. Yeah, wonderful. Can you please observe this? Is it forward direction or backward direction? Yeah, is it forward or backward direction? Is it forward direction or backward direction? Backward. So from begin to end plus 1. End plus 1. So from 1 to 1 to minus 4. From 1 to minus 4. But every time you have to consider second character. So 1 to minus 4 in backward direction. 1 is here. 1 to minus 4 here. Okay. 1 to minus 4 in backward direction. No chance at all. No chance at all. No chance at all. Okay. If you move 1, is it possible to get minus 4 in the backward direction? 1 to minus 4 in backward direction, not possible. So what is the output we are going to get? Empty string we will get. Can you please observe that? Can you have a look once? Empty string by default you are going to get. Empty string. Okay. Next. Any other case someone is asking about? Yes, of minus 4 colon 1 colon 1. Yeah, wonderful. Forward direction from begin to end minus 1 we have to consider. Okay, from begin to end minus 1, minus 4, minus 4 2, minus 4 2. So my end minus 1 means 1 minus 1 itself is the 0. Minus 4 to 0 in forward direction. Let me cross check. Where is the minus 4? Minus 4 is here. Minus 4 is here. And n 0, 0. So from minus 4, if you move forward direction, you never going to get a 0. You never going to get a 0, 0. That's why what output by default we are going to get is empty string we are going to get. Now have a look once. Array. Yeah, here see this empty string we are going to get. Now you can ask anything. You should be in the position to answer. Okay. So Sandeep, do you have the doubts about? So don't just ask randomly. If you are unable to answer, then only. Okay, like yes, someone is asking about this one. Okay. Yes of minus 9 colon 9 minus 9 colon 9. Okay. Colon 3. Here, can you please use it forward direction or backward direction? Please use it forward direction or backward direction. Can you please confirm? Forward. So begin to n minus 1. Okay. Begin to n minus 1. So minus 9 to 8 in forward direction. I have to take every time third character. First minus 9 to 8 forward direction possible or not? Where is minus 9? Where is minus 9? 9 is here. Where is 8? 8 is here. Yes, forward direction possible. In this, every third character I have to consider. B, E, next H. B, E, H is the answer we are going to get. Every third character, B, E, H. Okay. Let me consider. Is it correct or not? B, E, H. Perfect. Clear, right? If you are having the doubt, then only let me know. Otherwise, don't ask. Minus 10, 1 lakh or 10,000. Minus 1 lakh to plus 1 lakh. Is it forward direction? Forward direction. From minus 1 lakh to minus 1 lakh to 1 lakh to. So minus 1 lakh to 1 lakh minus 1. Okay, 1 lakh minus 1. So means, do you know? So if you observe the minus 1 lakh to, so 1 lakh minus 1 means, so this is big range in this. This total is going to be covered or not? Please confirm. This total, is it going to be covered or not? Yes, it is going to be covered. That's why what output by default we are going to get here is, yes, observe carefully. Yeah. Complete string we are going to get. Okay, that's it. In the exam, there is a possibility to ask these type of questions, 2 to 3 compulsory. Okay, you should be in the position to answer, sir. Clear? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay, like you can ask anything, sir. Yes, we have to answer. That thing is a very, very important, friends. Okay, next, one small example. Mostly, I saw this type of question. Okay, in the exam. 1 minute. This type may not exactly, because I didn't remember. Okay, I didn't remember. You have to, okay, just what the possibility is. Take a bit special care about this one, sir. Very, very important, very important. What the answer is, what the possibility, what S is equal to A B C D E F G H A K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Okay, complete thing is there. Now S of okay, here the point here is S of, okay, sir, 14 to 3, sir, 3, sir, 14 to 3 minus 3. What is the answer? Next, S of 3 to 14, sir, 3. What is the answer we are going to get? Sir, can you please tell what is the answer we are going to get now? Abhay, there may be a chance to get some pad, so that you can practice. You can write some rough work in the original exam. Don't worry. Yeah. Can you please tell what the answer we are going to get, right? 3, 14, 3. 3 to 14, 3. What is the answer? 14, 3 minus 3. What is the answer like? Sir, in the beginning, first one, from begin to n minus 1. N minus 1. So 3 to 13. 3 to 13. Every time we have to consider, okay, third character. Every time we require to consider third character, right? So first 3 to 13 means where, sir? 1 minute. Can you please count? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. Wow. 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. Okay. D to N. D to N. N like D to N. In this every time third character. D we have to consider. Next G we require to consider. J we have to consider. Next M we require to consider. D G J M is the answer. Okay. D G J M is the answer. Let me cross check, friends. Is it really happening or not? Yes. Okay. Can you please have a look once? Yeah. D G J M. Clear? Oi, Anu Patel. Can you please check clearly? Okay. Next. Next. Third, second. Is it forward direction or backward direction? Can you please confirm? Is it forward direction or backward direction? Can you please confirm? Backward. So from begin to end plus 1. Begin to end plus 1. Okay. So 14th to 4. 14 to 4. 14 to 4. End plus 1. 14 to end plus 1 means 4. So 14, where is the 14, sir? Yeah. Can you please spell out 14? Earlier 13 means earlier 13 means up to the 14th character. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 means wo, sir. 0 to 14. 14th means wo. From O to 4. 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 means E. Okay, O to E, O to E, we have to consider in backward direction. Backward direction, sir. First O, next L, first O, next L, next every third character, right? Next I, and then F, correct? Correct. Can you please observe in reverse? In reverse. Okay. Alif, like we have to get. Is it real? Is it valid or not? Okay. Now have a look once, sir. What is the answer we are going to get here? Yes, OLIF. Boss, these are type of questions you can expect for the certification exam. What is the output? You have to match, you have to drag and drop. For this, which one is the output? For the second one, which one is the output? Like they may ask. Clear? Are you feeling comfortable? Okay. Next, very important, sir. Legend. There is one more point I have to tell. One more example, sir. Just it is also important for certification sake. That's why please take a bit special care. Suppose assume that list means what? Of course, we will discuss in detail. Don't worry, sir. List means a group of values. A group of values 10, 20, 30, 40. So a group of values. It is the list. So which element is there at a zero index? Which element is there at a zero index? At zero index 10 is there. At a one index 20 is there. Like it is same as something like string. Assume. Okay. I have list is there. Assume that a list contains 500 employee names. Wow, wonderful. A list contains 500 employee names. The last five names are are management people. Management employees. Management employees means, okay, the people maybe who are from management. Okay, management employees. So non-management employees, how many are there? Management employee names. Non-management employees, how many are there? 495. But last five names are management employee names. Management employee names. Now, so which of the following provides a list of all non-management employee names? Non-management employee names, like, okay, they're asking about L of, assume that it is the list L of, okay, 0 to 494, 0 to 495, 0 to 496, something like, they come up with some options. They come up with some options. We don't know, sir. Have you observed which of the following list provides non-management employee names? Okay, like one possibility, sir. Now, which of the following provides a list of all management employee names? Management employee names. Okay, this is about our requirement. How you can do that? Have you observed, right? Are you in the position to understand? The most valuable, very important, maybe a chance to ask these type of questions. Okay. Now take a bit special care, sir. First thing, here legend. Okay, this type of analysis must be required. Okay. Now here see this one. Even sometimes they may ask, even they remove this one also. Okay. Even they remove this one also. If you are not specifying anything here, what will happen? What is the step value? By default, step value is 1. What is the zero? Beginning is always 0 something like that. So how we can do that? Very simple, sir. How many employees are there total? Please confirm. Okay, respond. I forgot. How many employees are there total? Total. How many employees are there? 600 employees are there. Sorry, 500 employees are there. So now observe that 500 employees are there. Now have a look once. Sir, this is first employee name, second employee name, third employee name, fourth employee name, dot. Okay. Sir, here, last but one, here, like I have. Now observe that. So by mistake, most of the times our analysis by default will be wrong. So small things we may miss. That's why please don't miss, sir, these are things. Sir, here 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. Okay, like now here, what is the last index? Anyone can you please tell? What is the last index? I forgot. What is the last index? Last index is 499. Total 500 is there. 499. Okay. Next 498. Legend 497. 497. 496. Okay. 495. 495. 5. Okay, like so these are management employees. Yam. Okay, like these are management employees. -1, -2. Okay, -3, -4, and then -5. Okay, like a -5. Like now observe. So I want to get a list of non-management employee names. L of 0 to L of 0, L of 0, 0 to L of 0 to 495 I have to take. Correct? Anyone can you please confirm? Oi, Anup Patel. Yes, don't get confused. The remaining people also don't get confused. 0 to 495 we have to consider. What is the reason for that is begin to end -1. Begin to end -1. End -1 because forward direction begin to end -1. So 0 to 495 -1 means 494. So 0 to 494 means do you know non-management employee names? Correct? Okay. Now instead of this one, we can take L of colon 495 also. Still is it acceptable or not? Still is it acceptable or not? Yes, because default value for begin is always 0. Next, still L of sir colon. Okay, now I'm trying to take sir colon. Okay, sir -5 I'm trying to take -5 colon -5. Is it going to be valid or not? Is it going to be valid or not? Colon -5 colon -5. What is the reason? What is the reason for that is it is a valid. It is a valid because so 0 to -5, 0 to -5. So 0 to -5 means begin to have you observed right? Begin to n -1. Begin to n -1. So means 0 to -5 -1 means -6. Okay, here -6. -6 means this person only, right? Non-management employee. Non-management employee. Yes, last person is so like clear. Yeah, maybe a chance to ask this. So in how many possibilities are there, friend? Now you can observe that. So here all these things. Yeah, L of so 0 colon 495. 0 colon 495 is valid. Next 0 you are not required to specify acceptable. Next here 0 to -5 you can take. Or instead of -5, okay, directly only -5 also. All these cases happily we are going to get. Clear? If the step value is a negative, then we have to consider begin to end +1. But in this case, step is always positive because we are not specifying that. Okay, well, now, sir, which of the following list contain management employees? Can you please confirm? Now I want management employee names, sir. So L of, yeah, management employee names, sir. Can you please tell all possible ways? All possible ways. L of 495 495 colon okay 500 colon 500 495 colon 500. So begin to n minus 1, begin to n minus 1 acceptable, begin to n minus 1 acceptable. L of simple you can specify 495, it is also acceptable. L of so now there other possibility minus 6 2 minus 6 to last 419 500 acceptable. L of minus 6 to minus 6 to, sir, here my begin to n minus 1, begin to n minus 1. So here can you please tell? Yes, here minus 6, yeah, minus 6 to, okay, that's all. So L of minus 6 you can take no issue at all. Sorry, here not minus 6, minus 5, right? Can you please confirm? Minus 5, sorry, minus 5, minus 5, that's it. So boss, maybe a chance to ask these type of questions compulsory. You people should take a bit very special care, okay, about this type of questions. Any doubt? Yeah, Sohas, good. Can I go for next one? This is about string data type what we have. I hope the terminology is the very clear for you people to understand. Slice operator, indexing, like these type of things, compulsory you people should have clear clarity, friends, because in the exam, there is a possibility to ask. Sandeep, time consuming, but no alternative at all. Okay, sir, up to this, how many questions we how many data types we covered? Can you please confirm? The first data type we covered int, second one we covered float, third one we covered complex. Of course, very briefly I covered. Okay, next after complex, yes, we have to talk about, we covered bool and then str. Okay, these are 5 data types we covered. These 5 data types are called fundamental data types. Remember this one, fundamental data types of Python. Okay, fundamental data types of Python. Of course, in string, indexing, slicing also we discussed in detail. Okay, like now the next very important concept, very important, sir, typecasting we have to discuss. Typecasting we require to tax, sir, because it's a very important for the exam. If you observe exam syllabus, okay, they are always expecting, have you observed, perform data under data type operations, convert from one data type to another data type. Have you observed? Convert from one data type to another data type. N number of questions you can expect from this area. That's why please make sure you should have clear clarity about this terminology, right? Okay, like. So now my question is, what is the meaning of typecasting? Typecasting means what? Type conversion. Type conversion. So from one type to another type, from one type to another type. Okay, like it is a type conversion functions, right? Type conversion. How you can convert from one type to another type? There are multiple functions are available. Okay, int function is there, int function is there, float function, next complex, next bool, and then str. Okay, like so there are multiple typecasting functions are available, right? Suppose I have float, I want to convert into int. Yeah, no problem. This is the function. So float, I want to convert into float. I want to convert into complex. What is the way? Like these typecasting functions we require to use, sir. So the first one, int, to convert from other types to int. For other types to int, floats are same, to convert from other types to, okay, float, to convert from other types to float. Okay, like to convert from other types to complex, okay, bool, to convert from other types to bool type. Okay, str, to convert from other types to, so str. Okay, like so how many typecasting functions are available? Okay, like you people should have clear clarity about this. But anyway, let me talk very briefly about this, because these are very important, especially this one and this one, most valuable. Even bool also sometimes we may use. That's why you should aware, sir. Sir, int, can you please confirm for which purpose we can use int, sir? Hey, respond. For which purpose we can use int, sir? Please confirm. For which purpose we can use int function? To convert from other types to int type. For that purpose, we can use this one, from other types to int type. Okay, like other types means which values are there? Float, float. Next and after that, float complex. Next a bool and then string, bool and then string to int. Now listen carefully. So from float, okay, int of 10.234, what will happen? Anyone, can you please tell? 10.234, what will happen? So if you are trying to convert float to int, the decimal point, okay, the digits after the decimal point by default will be gone. Remember, the answer by default we are going to get a 10. Okay, like 10 itself is, okay, like next what is the next so that's all. This is not required to discuss much. Whatever decimal points are there after, whatever digits are there after decimal point, by default will be gone. Okay, int of 10.234, what is the answer? 10. Int of minus 20.9999, what output by default we are going to get? Minus 20. That's all. Whatever digits are there after decimal point, by default will be gone. This is float to int. Next, complex to int. Complex to int. Sir, can you please observe that? Simple answer, it is not possible. We can't convert from complex to int type. There is no such type of conversion. Remember, but anyway, this one is not required to discuss for the exam. Okay, int of 10 plus 20j. I'm trying to take. So 10 plus 20j. Can you please convert into int type? Immediately, we will get type error. Can't convert complex to int type, like we are getting error. Any doubt? Or respond? Clear? Next, what about bool? Bool to int. Bool to int. Not required to keep much explanation. Bool to int. Okay. Int of true. What is the answer? Int of true. What is the answer? 1, 1, 1, 1. False means 0. You can convert Boolean value Boolean value to int type, no problem at all. Sir, int of true, if I can take, its value is 1. Int of false, if I can take, its value is 0. Acceptable? Okay, like next, str to int type. Very important, sir. String to int. Okay, int of, very very important. Please take a bit special care. Int of, here you can take, you can take, sir, here 10. Acceptable or not? Please confirm. Please confirm. Acceptable. Acceptable. Okay, valid. Int 10.5, if I can take, is it valid or invalid? Please confirm. Invalid, invalid, invalid. Okay, so if you are trying to convert string to int type, compulsory string should contain integral value and should be specified in base 10. This is the rule, friend. Okay, suppose int of 10 I'm trying to take. For a fact, it is a string valid. Int of 10.5 I'm trying to take. Sorry, invalid. Invalid literal for int with a base 10, 10.5. It is invalid. Getting clear, right? Okay, so that's all. Please make sure, sir, it should contain only integral. Suppose by mistake 0, 0, 0 something like, it is invalid. Invalid. Someone is asking about this question. Normal. Invalid. It should contain only integral value. Only integral value should be specified only in the base 10. str to int. Okay, so how to convert from other types to int type? If you want to convert from other types to int type, compulsory we require to use this typecasting function. Okay, make sure you should have clarity about this. Next, do you know, maybe a chance, int of Durga invalid. Kiran, int of Durga, I told, right? Str should contain integral value and should be specified only in base 10. Int of, okay, Durga, invalid. Invalid because it is not a int value. That's why immediately error we are going to get, sir. Int of Durga, like, invalid. Invalid literal for int with base 10. Now, do you know, just I will show just one small possible question for you people, so that you may get much clarity. I mean, this type of questions also may be a chance to ask the question. Int of 0b1111, 0b111 is a valid int of 0b111. Is it valid or not? It is a binary int value into to int. What is the problem with that? Into to int, it is a valid. It is the into to int. Sir, what there inside? Valid 7. Its value 7. But if I can take like this, okay, now immediately error, because str should contain only int value. Okay, should be specified in base 10. Should be specified in base 10. Have you observed? It is not base 10. That's why error we are going to get. Now here, see this one, invalid literal 0b111. Okay, just one small example. Let me talk about this. Sir, I'm writing a program. It's a very interesting question, very important also for the exam sake. Of course, here, 1 minute, I have some just this question somewhere. Yeah. Okay, here observe that. Observe carefully. This is about, this is the example, this is the example what I have. Okay, now have a look once how beautiful these questions are. It is input function, whatever we are reading, it is always a string type, string type. Okay, input function, whatever we are reading, it's always going to provide string only. So you are writing a Python program to read two int values from the keyboard and print the sum, to read two int values from the keyboard and print the sum. Okay, x is equal to, enter first number, enter second number. Okay, like now, do you know, sir, both are what type now? X and y are what type? What type? X and y are what type? Okay, string type. Now we have to convert into int and then we have to print the sum. Okay, now have a look once. Okay, if I can take, if I can take first print statement, can you please confirm, is it valid or not? Is it, if I can take first print statement, okay, is it valid or not? Forget about remaining things, later I can copy, don't worry. Is it valid or not? What is the problem with that? What is the problem is, listen carefully. Suppose if I provide 10 20, these are the two numbers. Int of x is already string which contain 10, that's why 10 plus a 20, it is the valid. 10 plus 20 is a 30 we are going to get. Here the problem here is, so I will discuss at this point, don't worry. The problem here is, sir, now whenever we are using plus operator for the string and the int, the problem, okay, str plus int is always invalid combination. Remember carefully. That's why immediately error we are going to get. Now have a look once about this one. Py test.py, let me take some. Enter first number 10, enter second number 20. Now observe, type error, can only concatenate str to str but not str to int. Yes, it is not like Java. In Java it is acceptable, str plus int is always acceptable, so it is invalid. Okay, like now if I can take this one, anyone can you please tell, is it valid or not? Respond. Is it valid or not? It is invalid. It is invalid. What the reason is? 10 plus 20, both are string. 10 plus 20 means string 10 20. 10 20 converting into int. Converting to int. Yes, it is the int value. Int value 10 20 we are going to get. String plus int. Again the problem is going to come. Enter first number, then enter second number, like type error can only concatenate str to str. Same problem we are going to get. Now, if I consider this one, observe carefully. If I consider this, is it acceptable or not? Is it acceptable or not? Yes, in the demonstration also I hope I showed this example only. Int, converting string to int, converting string to int. Now this total is the int sum. Now this total sum, int sum, converting to str. Now first one is the str, second one is also str, itself is the value. 10, enter second number 20. Yes, the result 30. Perfect, we are getting. Oi, respond. So to read the two int values and print the sum, can you please tell what is the code we have to take? Yes, that's all. This is the code. This is the code we require to take. Okay. Now, can I take this option or not? Can you please confirm? Can you please confirm? Is it possible? Is it valid or not? Okay. What is the problem you are going to get? The problem is you are trying to enter 10, 20, son. Both are in string form. X plus y, string plus a string concatenation. Now it will become 10, 20. This is the number. Whenever we are trying to convert this 10, 20 string to int, yes, you will get 1020. 1020 str. Now the result 1020 we are going to get, but not 30. Yes, 10, 20, The result 1020 we are getting, but not 30. Any doubt? Feeling comfortable? Okay. Typecasting is a very dangerous concept for the exam. That's why please make sure. Yeah, Muhammad Yunus. If we can separate with comma, then it will become valid. No problem at all. Comma, comma. It will become valid, but the output is always the problem. Okay, so we didn't do any practice. Don't worry. Just I'm showing boss maybe a chance to ask this type of question. Just I'm showing the possibility. That's all. Okay, we will discuss each and every question in detail. Don't worry. Okay, first try to understand the theory so that you will get much clarity about the concept. Okay, in the next video we will talk about continuation of the remaining typecasting, and another 2 or 3 sessions we have to strict to theory only. Once the theory got completed, another 3 to 4 days we have to talk about practice questions. Don't worry. More theory, more perfection, and then more practice, more confidence.